feeling on the bike and my fitness and everything, I feel solid. I want to get as many podiums as I can. You know, I know I can be up there. I'm really appreciative of where I'm at, what we're doing, and how we're doing it. And I would much rather be doing this, even on my bad days, than working, you know, a desk job or say be up 50 foot on a roof, nailing shingles in, you know. As long as we're racing dirt bikes, I'm ready to go. In any situation, I try to find the light of it, and I try to just kind of keep a smile on my face. And my parents kind of, I don't know, raised me like that, I guess. Either way, I'm gonna find myself up on the box.